Today, I'm going to talk about HPLC columns. Are you familiar with the contents of an HPLC column? An HPLC column is the heart of an HPLC or UHPLC instrument. Depending on the purpose of the analysis, an appropriate column is selected and installed in the instrument. An HPLC column consists of a cylindrical tube, filled with fine particles known as packing material. Have you ever looked closely into a catalog of HPLC columns? In a catalog, there is information on various packing materials. First, let's talk about the base material. There are two types of base material, silica gel and polymer. High pressure resistance and relatively inexpensive. The most commonly used base material is silica gel. This is a photo of the silica gel base material. Most of the silica gel base material currently in use is spherical. When the silica gel base packing material is magnified, it has pores and is modified with functional groups. How will the analysis change if the particle size, surface area, pore size, and carbon content are changed? Packing materials come in a variety of diameters. The smaller the particle size, the sharper the peak. However, the smaller the particle size, the higher the pressure. Check the pressure resistance of the column and the equipment. What would be the outcome if the surface area of the packing material were changed? The smaller the surface area, the shorter the retention time. Decreasing the surface area of the packing material weaken retention. When analyzing target compounds with large molecular weights, using a column with a small pore size may result in broad peaks. Analysis using a column with a large pore size will produce sharper peaks. What happens when there is more carbon? The higher the carbon content, the longer the retention time. If you are unsure about which product to choose due to the large number of options available, please contact GL Sciences.